I haven't performed in a room with adults and teenagers in a long time. And so, yeah. So let's see who likes this boy. Conversation with my grandmother. Sorry. Born and raised on single-parent lands, bottom boys, because we didn't inherit grands from our grands. Understand how poverty stayed in constant rotation like second hands, but yo, what kept us cool? Love circulated like kitchen fans, eating cornbread and cabbage, hash and black-eyed peas. Those days long gone. I'm thinking PhDs. This conversation with my grandmother, other end of the phone, I'm trying to explain why I stopped eating neck bones. Stop eating pork chops, don't even want no bacon in my greens. I ain't running from my culture, I'm running from heart disease. See, you can let that out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm running from heart disease. See, daddy died of diabetes, granddaddy did too. Giving myself insulin shots ain't what I'm trying to do. Plus, I don't like meals, hate taking pills. When waiters ask about dessert, I say, nah, just bring the bill. Can't afford the cheesecake, nor apple pie a la mode. Mint chocolate chip, I like to eat the whole bowl, but I'm trying to preserve my health, trying to preserve my wealth. I'll eat anything for free, but I won't sponsor my death. I said, Grandma, I love you. I just hope you understand. I'm just trying to improve, trying to become a better man, trying to stay healthy so I don't have to pay for pills. Wish I could invest all of that money I've seen spent on hospital bills. But I know, it's Southern hospitality. You show your love through soul food. I guess the times are changing though. I'll take my kids to Whole Foods. And all that extra money that wasn't spent on doctors and meds, I'll take that and buy stock. Take that and buy land. So financially, family will be straight for generations. Both money and love will be a constant rotation. I said, Grandmother, that's my plan. I just want your great-grandkids to inherit grands from their grands.